Be warned, South Africa, another strong cold front reaching the country this weekend, and with it bringing an icy cold blast of subpolar air across the country. We also do have an orange level 5 warning in place for flooding, so here's the forecast. The strong front expected to slam the Western Cape before midday, with scattered to widespread showers over the southwestern areas and along the southern coastline, isolated showers for the surrounding areas, and also dropping freezing levels low enough for snow to fall on Saturday night over the mountainous areas of the Western Cape, overnight into Sunday over the high-lying areas and the mountain regions of the Karoo, as well as the Eastern Cape, and this includes the southern Drakensberg. Most of the snow expected to fall over the Matroosberg mountains, with also the possibility of snow at the foot of the mountain on a Sunday morning, as well as in the town of Sutherland, but this could quickly melt if it falls before or after rain. And as mentioned, most of the snow expected to accumulate over the high-lying areas. Widespread showers expected on Saturday here over the southwestern areas of South Africa, later becoming scattered over parts of the Western Cape, as well as the southern parts of the Karoo in the Northern Cape, and spreading along the southern coastline. Isolated cold showers expected for the surrounding areas along the west coast and possible in Namakwa. We do have that orange level 5 warning in place for flooding, where heavy downpours is expected here over the city of Cape Town, the Drakensberg, as well as the Theewaterskloof municipality and parts of the Overberg, with a level 4 warning for the surrounding areas, the west coast, as well as the adjacent interior. And then behind that cold front, icy cold conditions spreading across South Africa throughout Sunday, with also a few light showers likely over parts of the northern as well as the western and the eastern Cape, but most of the rain expected to fall in the morning here over the high-lying areas of the Western Cape and the Overberg, and also a few light showers later likely along the coast of KwaZulu-Natal and the adjacent interior. We also have an orange level 6 warning in place for rough seas and high winds along the coast of the Western Cape on Saturday. And on our wind map, we can clearly see those near gale force northwesterly winds picking up ahead of that cold front along the coast of the Western Cape. Winds also blowing strong in parts of the Karoo, with wind gusts of more than 80 kilometers per hour expected in parts of the Karoo. This is extremely dangerous for high-sided vehicles driving on main roads, so rather be safe than sorry and stay off the roads. Overnight into Sunday, strong westerly winds spreading along the coast of the western southern Cape and turning southwesterly for the coast of the Eastern Cape and later KwaZulu-Natal. A frosty start to Saturday for the interior of South Africa, with -4 degrees expected in Bethlehem and below freezing over parts of the Eastern Cape, the Highveld, as well as the rest of the Free State. And then it's going to be a cold Saturday and rainy over the western areas of South Africa, in the shade of light green. Maximum temperatures expected to be below 10 degrees, only 7 in Sutherland and 14 in Cape Town. Now, the frosty morning on Sunday for parts of the Karoo as well as the Free State, -5 in Bloemfontein, only 3 expected in Johannesburg, and -2 expected in Sutherland. And then it's going to be cold over the western areas of South Africa. Colder conditions also spreading behind that cold front eastwards. Maximum temperatures only in the mid-teens for parts of the Free State as well as northwest. Still below 10 degrees here in parts of the Karoo, only 3 in Sutherland with light snow in the morning, and temperatures also expected in the mid-teens for the coast of the Western Cape. And then it's going to be the coldest morning on Monday for large parts of South Africa. Temperatures plummeting far below 0, with widespread dangerous frost expected. A low of -80 degrees expected here in parts of the Free State, -4 in Vereniging, and also below freezing in parts of the northern, western, eastern Cape as well as KwaZulu-Natal. So stay warm, South Africa, and share this forecast to save a life.